of isolation, which means we're gonna have to separate. Sometimes they'll be family, sometimes they'll be friends.
Yo, what up? It's your boy KG, man. And yeah, man, I just had to chime in with y'all. I usually don't do this. I was getting ready to go to sleep tonight, and I just had something to get off my chest. In this credit repair game, in this funding game, the game that I play, the game that I learned the rules to, I've learned that you never know everything.
Nope.
Right? And it's like the game changes a lot, and you got to stay abreast of it. And it's a lot of people that will not invest into their future. They don't want to pay, right? So I have some great mentors that have taught me a lot. And I met them all on Instagram, and they've all become my friends. People that, like, the people that I looked up to, my idols, they became my best friends. They've actually flown to Houston to meet me. And they realized, they saw the studying that I put myself through. And they saw me every day taking classes that I had to pay for. So with the credit repair game, I've learned consumer law, and I've studied FCRA laws for over 15 years now, right? And I got to the point with credit repair that I got really, really good at it. You know, understanding the laws, understanding the timetable that you're dealing with when you're dealing with credit repair. I understood the questions that I needed to ask. A lot of us don't know what we don't know. You can try your best to get on YouTube and try to learn things, but it works out a lot better when you go straight through a mentor. Can I get an amen, please? Can I get a clap? Can I get a round of applause for that? Yeah, I'm talking to y'all real today. I ain't talking to y'all like $500,000 credit. I'm talking to y'all like KG. It's real. You don't know what you don't know. You don't even know the questions to ask on the things that you don't know. I wouldn't tell you to do anything that didn't work for me. You know, and that came from me studying. That came from me being a student, paying for courses. I paid for countless courses. Darain Delavante, one of my mentors, good friend, he was like, KG, you learn so much, you study so much. He was like, it's time for you to take it to the next level.
Are you obsessed? Are you focused on the future you want to create?
I learned how to fix credit, right? To repair credit. And then you have to learn how to what? Build credit.